Loss family. Rama's family is very big. Rama is a hard worker, and he is the sole breadwinner of the family. He has 3 kids, 2 sons, and a daughter. He lives along with father and mother. Rama used to work too hard to feed his family. He works for more than 16 hours a day. The kids cannot see him, as he will leave home early in the morning, before they wake up, and reach home around midnight, when kids would sleep every day. The entire family eagerly wait to spend quality time with him, and the kids miss him so much. The children were too curious about Sundays, as his father would spend the entire day with them. Unfortunately, to meet the increasing household expenses and educational expenses, Rama took a weekend job to work even on Sundays. The kids were very shattered, and even Rama's wife and parents too. The typical routine continued for several weeks, and year passed. All the hard work of Rama earned a lot of benefits, and he was offered promotion with attractive increment. The family moved to a new house, got better clothes, and ate healthy foods. However, as usual, Rama continues to earn more and more money. One day his wife asked him, "Why are you running for money? We can be happy with what we have now." Rama replied, "I want to give the best available in the world to all of you, and want you to stay happy always." 2 years passed, and Rama hardly spent time with his family. The children yearned to have their father at home. Meanwhile, the sincere efforts of Rama reaped him a fortune. He was offered partnership and share in profits. He continued to earn more and more wealth. Now, Rama's family is one of the richest families in the city. They have all the facilities and luxuries. Still, Rama's children strove to meet their father, as he was hardly seen at home. His children turned teens, and they are no more kids. Now, Rama earned enough wealth to provide a luxurious life to his next 5 generations. Rama's family went to their beach house to spend their vacation. His daughter asked, "Dad, will you please spend one day at home and stay with us here?" Rama replied, "Yes, darling, tomorrow for sure, I will join you for the lunch, and be with you all for next few days. I'm tired of work, and need refreshment." The entire family became very happy. Unfortunately, the next day, none in Rama's family were alive as they were washed out in tsunami. Rama was too busy, even to hear the news about tsunami. When he tried to reach his beach house, he saw sea and water everywhere, and screamed for his family. He could not even find the dead bodies of his family. He can never have them again, cannot even see them, and even by paying millions, he cannot get them back to life. He remembered his wife's words, "Why are you running for money? We can be happy with what we have now. Money can't buy everything." For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.